Friends, I am GEETHANJALI. I have completed BCA in GMTC College and I am 22 passed out. I have joined Qspiders in the month of April and yesterday I got placed in the company called Hebbal, and there were 2 rounds, technical and the HR round. And I have joined Qspiders with the help of suggestion of my friends, and thanks a lot for Qspiders. And I have SQL taught by Deepak sir, and manual taught by Umashankar sir, and Java taught by Chidambaram sir, and Selenium taught by Mamta ma'am. Before joining Qspiders, I did not know even one programming language also. After joining Qspiders, I have learned manual testing, Java, especially Java, and Selenium automation also. So I refer all the who are attending, who want to become a software test engineer, I refer Qspiders Hebbal.